Hello and welcome to Trading Pips. My name is Michael Oluwaseun and I am thrilled to have you join me on this exciting journey into the world of trading. A few months ago, I was just like many of you, curious about forex trading but unsure on where to start. I had always been fascinated about the ideas of trading currency and the potential it held. So one day I decided to take the plunge and dive into the world of forex trading. At first, I was overwhelmed by the volume of information on the internet. There were countless of articles, videos, tutorials, but all of these articles and tutorials are all offering different advices. I made mistakes, plenty of mistakes. I made loss. It got to a point that I was even frustrated. I had to wonder that, is this the right decision? I was asking myself those questions. So instead of giving up, I decided to learn from those mistakes. I started to find my footings by taking one step at a time. I focused on understanding the basics first, what forex trading is, how the market operates, and the key concepts. I spent lots of hours researching, watching tutorial videos, and also practicing all what I've learned on a demo account. Slowly but surely, things began to make sense and I gained more confidence. I began to develop my own strategies and tested them in real market conditions. I learned the importance of risk management, patience, and staying disciplined. There were days I made profit and there were days I had to face loss. Each experience was a valuable lesson that shaped my understanding. Now, with more than 6 months of trading experience under my belt, I am still very much a beginner in forex trading, but I've come a long way from where I started. I realized that there might be many others out there just like me who are eager to learn but don't know where to begin. That's why I decided to create this channel. My goal is to share my journey with you from the perspective of a fellow beginner. I will walk you through the basics, share my insights, and show you the strategies that have worked for me over time. Together, we will navigate through the ups and downs of forex trading, and hopefully we will all come out stronger and more knowledgeable about forex trading. Whether you're a complete novice or someone with a bit of trading experience, I invite you to join me on these exciting adventures. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification. What to expect from the channel. Number one is the beginner basics. We'll start with the fundamentals, what forex trading is, how the market works, what are the key terms and concepts you need to know. I will be breaking everything down into easy to understand lessons. Secondly, the trading tools and platform. Next, we will dive into the tools of the trading, from choosing the right trading platforms to understand how to use charts and indicators. I will guide you through the setups process and beyond. Thirdly, developing a trading strategy. Once we have the basics covered, we will start to develop trading strategies. I will show you how to analyze the market, spot trend, and make informed trading decisions. We will discuss risk management so you can protect your investment and grow your account steadily. Fourthly, the live trading session. To give you a real-world perspective, I will host a live trading session. You'll get to see me in action, applying the strategies we've discussed and making trades in real time. This will help you to understand the practical application of the theory and strategies we covered. Then lastly, community and support. This channel is not just about teaching you, it's about building a community. I encourage you to ask questions, share your experience, and help each other out. Trading can be a lonely journey, but it doesn't have to be. Down the description of this video, I'm going to drop the Telegram group, which we are going to be using to communicate time to time. And let's embark on the journey to become proficient forex trader. However, I must emphasize that forex trading is not a get-rich scheme. Yeah, it is not. So it requires dedication, patience, and continuous learning. My job is to provide you the tools and knowledge that you need to succeed. But it is up to you to put in the efforts required on this journey with you. So whether you are here to create a career out of forex trading or you are just looking for ways to supplement your income, my goal is to help you to achieve your financial dream through forex trading. So hit on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, and let's get started. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Thank you. Peace out.